So too little, too late. This is one of my favorite ones because there is this whole journey that you take bringing a product to market. And most of the time, this is when I get called to put together an FDA submission. They have gone through almost the entire journey by themselves using their own research and assumptions, and they bring their product to me and said, hey, we're ready for a 510K. Great. What product code do you think you're going under? What's the product code? Oh, you mean there are 26 product codes that could apply to my device and I only found one? Or they, my personal favorite is software as a medical device, and they come to me and have not one piece of documentation to support their software development. And then I'm like, what am I supposed to write a 510K with? Well, we have a product. Sure you do. The reason why they don't call me when they need to call me is because they think regulatory is expensive and it's a necessary evil. But let me tell you, if you do regulatory strategy at the right time, early in product development, it is going to inform the requirements for your first prototype. Your first prototype is going to be where you're going to be doing most of your testing and where it's going to take up most of your budget and most of your timeline. So if, when is the right time to inform your product development? It's before you test, not you test and fail and then, oh, wow, we had a lot of requirements for electrical safety that we weren't, informed about or aware of. So, and then the other big thing is, startups will come to me and they don't have any quality management system of any variety. While they for sure don't need an entire quality management system, the right time to apply design controls is as you're developing your product. Because what is really expensive is getting in your time machine and trying to retrospectively create all of your design history documentation and documents that I will need to put in the submission to turn into FDA. So this is where it really is expensive, is to do all of this in reverse, and nobody can remember why they selected that as a design input or a user need in the first place.